It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas. This is Panay News Tonight. Here are the top stories of the day. Even with schools opening in less than 2 weeks, the Department of Trade and Industry has yet to release the suggested retail price of school supplies. DTI last released an SRP for school supplies in 2019 and has not released any other during the pandemic from 2020 to 2021. DTI Iloilo Director Felisa Judith De Gala said that retailers should base their price on the 2019 SRP, although she admitted that prices may have likely increased in the past 2 years due to the pandemic and inflation. De Gala also said that the delayed release of the SRP makes it more difficult for the department to protect consumers from profiteers or rein in prices. In the meantime, the DTI Iloilo Director advised parents and guardians to be meticulous and check the labeling, quantity, and quality of school supplies. Classes for school year 2022 to 2023 resumed this August 22. An Ilongga housewife finally claimed her total jackpot prize of more than 401 million pesos in the recent Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office Grand Lotto draw. The 655 Grand Lotto draw was made on July 9, and the 34-year-old housewife won with her number combination of 2, 18, 9, 19, and 47. The winner claimed her prize at the PCSO Boardroom in Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City on July 25. She appealed to the PCSO to keep details of her and her family confidential, but shared that she plans to put up business here in Iloilo as well as make donations. A hike in taxes and other fees is being pushed by the Economic Enterprises Development Authority of Negros Occidental. The proposal was forwarded to the offices of Governor Eugenio Jose Lacson and Provincial Administrator Attorney Rayfrando Diaz. Under this proposal, the rents paid to EDD-run establishments such as the Cyber Center, Mambucal Resort, and Negros Residences will be increased. Taxes, permits, and other fees being collected through transactions by the province would also be covered in the proposed increase. In a radio interview, Diaz said it was time to amend the Provincial Revenue Code again. He also revealed that the last time amendments were made was back in 2017. And those were tonight's latest headlines. This is your anchor, Elisha Rosario Pumida. Good evening. For more stories, check our website, www.panaynews.net. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grab the digital copy of Panay News on Press Reader. Read Panay News via the Inquirer Plus app and avail a free 30-day trial. Join Panay News community on Viber. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing.